Hey guys, welcome to Designer Savvy. Today's video is a surprise video. We were going to do a video on how to decorate your bathroom, but I went in a different direction with that and want to give you the absolute best content possible in that video. So this is a surprise video today regarding a video a few weeks ago on organizing underneath your kitchen sink. Let's have some fun. Pause the video right now, leave a comment below, let me know what you think's in this package. Are you all like me and on a continued quest to be better organized? A few videos ago I showed you how to organize underneath your kitchen sink. And here it is. As you can see, it looks the same as it did when we finished the video. I promise you nothing has changed. It's working out beautifully for me. But I still have a few too many containers under there. I actually only have 4. So I'm wanting to condense it further. I found an awesome storage drawer made by Threshold. That's the brand. Comes from Target, and I'm going to be installing that under the sink. So if this sounds good to you, stay with me. Did you guess it? Here's the drawer. It's a nickel finish, rust resistant, fits inside most cabinets, and I love the fact that it has the optional hardware if you want to permanently mount it to the inside of the cabinet floor. So there are other options there, and you may want to take a look if you have a smaller space, smaller cabinetry. You may want to choose one of those options. In the smaller option, they did have white, black, and nickel finish. Let's get started. Here are the screws that come with it, and you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. Here I'm removing everything from the cabinet. And it's already clean because that was recently done. And I am positioning the new drawer so I know if I have proper clearance or not. Place the frame in the cabinet where you want it and then mark the holes, and this is where the 3 screws will go. Be sure to place the entire drawer and frame in the cabinet first to make sure you have clearance to pull the drawer in and out. Make sure you're not obstructing any plumbing lines, pipes, or knobs, as you'll want to have easy access to those. I am going to have to reposition the bag holder as the door won't close with it there, so I'll just move it to the opposite side. I've marked my holes. Now I'm ready to place the screws. Here is a great time saver I've learned along the way. Rather than pull out the screw head to fit the screw, why not fit the screw to the screw head? Voila! Here I'm placing all the screws in the frame, being sure when I'm done to go back and double check and tighten them firmly so they don't come loose later. As you can see, the screws are in place. Now we'll place our drawer. One last thing to do is place these 2 drawer stops in the hole there and right there. You put the drawer in first and then the drawer stop second. Just like that. And it has 2 holes to go through, a top hole and a bottom hole, so make sure that it is angled properly and it goes straight down both holes. Here's the first drawer stop and here's the second one. And remember, you do have to slide the drawer in first before putting these little stops in or it won't work. Another tip is you want to be sure that you have clearance. This is our disposal, and we want to make sure that we have clearance under there between the top of our tallest item and the bottom of the disposal, or any plumbing pipes, whatever that you have. You want to be sure that you have adequate clearance so that your drawer can work properly like you'd like it to. So we'll place everything back in the cabinet and then we'll see what it looks like. Guys, while cleaning under the cabinet again, I came across this pluggable fragrance warmer from Hobby Lobby. I absolutely love it, and I'll show you a close-up in just a minute of the real thing. $14.99 from Hobby Lobby, and the fragrance that I'm using right now is this one from Hobby Lobby. It's clementine and mango, and oh my goodness, you all, I wish you could be here to smell it. So you'll have to get one to try and see what you think. There are a variety of the pluggable fragrance warmers, and as you can see here, the waxes are $2.99 each. So here's the actual plug-in, and I love it. It's neutral, but yet it has a textured look to it. Love it. And there is the wax. And it's just such a nice, it's a tropical aroma, and it just goes throughout the entire home. It's not too overpowering. So far, it's not bothering our allergies. Love it. So guys, here it is. What do you think? I started off with 4 containers under there. Now I'm down to 3. It's looking much less cluttered than it was. I actually got rid of a Sterilite container that had the snap lid and then the round Lazy Susan, but I am excited about using that Lazy Susan in one of my other cabinets, or maybe I'll use it in the laundry room or under a bathroom vanity. So I'm loving this system, and I will remove that threshold storage door tag. So I'm very pleased with this. Love to organize, love to decorate. If this is the type of content that you love, then stay tuned, subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that bell for notifications. I post a new video every week. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.